No, come on.
Okay, so we are doing the, what's it called again? Oh yeah, the 24-hour handcuff challenge. Sorry, couldn't get to it very well. This is my first video, by the way. And this is our first video, my first video on my channel. So enjoy and subscribe if you can. That'd be great. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but hello, welcome to my channel. This is Bibiana Ranger. And this is our first challenge for the week, I guess.
Week? No, it's for 1 day.
For the rest of the day.
So we are doing the challenge, me and my brother, Gio. And this is my brother, Xavier. Also doing the challenge with my sister, Layla. 24-hour challenge has begun, guys. Currently, we are going to the park.
The handcuffs are really heavy.
And yeah, so this is happening right now. I just went to the bathroom. Tell him how that went.
It was bad.
He was like, "Don't touch me." And I was like, "Don't worry."
My hand hurts.
You trying to be special for once?
So we'll tune in later.
Bye.
Say bye.